Hello friends, welcome to my channel that's We Grow. Today in this video we will learn and write mango on 10 lines. So let's start. First, mango is a very tasty fruit. Second, it is the king of fruits. Third, it comes in summer season. Fourth, there are many types of mangoes like Alfonso, Amrapali, Himsagar, etc. 5. It is very good for our health. 6. It is rich in vitamin A and C. 7. Raw mangoes more green and sour. 8. Ripe mangoes are yellow and very sweet. 9. It is used in making pickle, juices, jams, etc. 10. Mango is the national fruit. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.